Our addition strategy today is called make a 10 to add. For you to get for you to understand this strategy better, you have to be familiar with the pair of numbers that make a 10. So for example, you have 0 and 10, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and the last pair of numbers that make a 10 is 5 and 5. So you have to remember this pair of addends later on as we are doing the strategy. So let's go to our first example. Our first example is 7 plus 5. So you have 7 plus 5. So let me write that again. 7 plus 5. First step is to break apart 5. What are the two numbers that will make 5 such that it will make a 10 with 7? A while ago, the partner of 7 is 3. 7 plus 3 make 10. So 3 will be one of the parts of 5. What will be the other part? For you to know the other part, you have to think of a number that when you add to 3 will make a 5. So put 3 in your mind, count to 5. 3 in the mind, 4 in the fingers, 4, 5. So that would be 2. Okay, so the parts of 5 will be 3 and 2. After breaking apart 5, add the pair of numbers that will make a 10. So you have 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Then add the remaining part, that is 2. Put 10 in your mind, 2 in the fingers, count on. 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 is 12, which makes 7 and 5, 12 as well. Okay, another example. We have 8 plus 5. Again, break apart the smaller addend such that one of the parts of the smaller addend will make a 10 with the bigger addend. The partner of 8 for it to be 10 is 2. And what will you add to 2 to make a 5? That will be 3. Add the pair of numbers that will make a 10. 8 plus 2. That would be 10. Add the remaining part. That would be 3. 10 plus 3 is 13, which makes 8 and 5, 13 as well. Okay, now let's go to the last example. Last example is 3 plus 9. The smaller addend is 3. Break it apart such that one of the parts will make a 10 with the bigger addend, which is 9. The partner of 9 for it to be 10 is 1. Okay? And then what will you add to 1 to make a 3? That would be 2 because 2 and 1, they make 3. Add the pair of numbers that will make 10, so that will be 9 plus 1. So that will be 10. Then add the remaining part, which is 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. That makes 3 plus 9 equal to 12. So this is another strategy that you can use when you're adding numbers. You are trying to make a 10. You are making a 10 so that you can add numbers faster and you can add numbers more easy.